153 feet in the air right now. 75 kilometers an hour. First ride on Tundra Twister.
Yo.
You guys have ridden before, have you?
Nope.
First time?
First
So
time.
natural reactions.
Oh yeah.
Exactly.
Enjoy your ride.
Ooh. Slow and steady.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Not bad. Pretty smooth.
This is really smooth.
Here we go. We're on to the peak yet.
We still haven't even got to the top. I can touch Yukon.
Here we are.
Whoa. Whoa. We're 153 feet in the air right now. 75 kilometers an hour. Whoa.
And down.
Whoa. That is a fun ride. No other word for that. It's super smooth, super intense for a few moments at the top there when we actually spun upside down. But overall, that's fun. That's a fun ride. That's all.
I enjoyed
That's
it.
my only word
It's
about
good.
it. Is it's a fun ride for sure. And just like that, we are back in the station.